Hi guys, I wanted to talk to you about the peer review assignment. So the first thing that you're going to do, it kind of tells you what's happening, but you're going to click on this and you're going to go to the first question. So if I click on peer review, I go to question number 1. I click on it, and this is the part where I would attach my rough draft, as you normally would in the Word document format. So I can click on it and click submit. And there I know that my task is completed. In order to go into this format and complete the evaluation, I will follow that up with another video. Thanks.